Mama Akwaba will frame me Adjoa searching him Mesrel. Now one subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell no so for more news. Ebusian for Efia Popia Vimlady and then the work can adjoin the Atrom and Penida Mahama said NDC in Penfo. Was Saki Omunefi party Mundo Messi in chain. And I was a baby's with sharp teeth. Okuja tablaqua, Sammy Jemfi. Fellows of Suquachemo, and I'll do which and then someone looking in Shaquem. Omuni campaign strategy be I want to work. Tikebaya some moving chain. Name penifun more party in for Mobra. The Besha Vice President Dr. Baumia campaign or ye. I brought more air to more abano. Say, a party beam, where she say, Martin Monade. Then so his son said, or pen cambo mintino. Once it's so now, let me brackers and the Omaba back, honorable Canada, comprehend Japan winaba. Or the was one tis who do go be near bed. In a more frana now, do a mobile woman when the other beboa. If you could be a fire, or just say, a or penda da Bahama, and share, no, nay, and this for pen for Nancasa, no one sounds so, and Ryan says, if you could be a day, etc.
To our money at your way. Kwame na ahoy. When Kwame na ahoy. Mama buy between Professor Mills and President Mahama Kwame na ahoy. No, a Greek minister. A Greek was growing at 2.5%. Mama buy no muyi a Kwame na ahoy if you add yes, Kwesi ahoy rather Kwesi ahoy no muyi Kwesi ahoy if you. I see Kwesi ahoy bet to me the president or presidential ambition or muyi ni free ho. Yeah, Kwesi ahoy free ho. They are finding South Africa ambassador, Ghana ambassador to South Africa. Obi Frobedi had as a Greek minister, a Greek grew at 0.1%. Sometimes, what the personal interest, and if you listen to the wrong people, small boys, nobody Muhammad, you know, these were the people around the two Omudi said, babies should shout it. All the evil dwarfs know these people run Muhammad's government down. I don't like those people around Muhammad. President Mama, for all people, they become, Mr. Wa. President Mama, about to away, you must give us the showdown. Mama, showdown, my for all people, Nibi, where are those old people? We see Totobi Kwachi, who do you ya? Kwesi Ahoemo, Ato Ahoemo, where are they? The last time you saw Ato Ahoemo, Pastor Jena no Papa Maya Fano, as many men the party, and Okasa, who saw Casabu. Bomo put the Casa, they are the chief strategists, but where are they? What is their role in the campaign? Apart from a say, don't tell you, ACDR, ni, a PADC, ni. NDC near Odi campaign as chairman of the party. How many? Even a Brad Sami photo. Brad Sami photo. How many times do you see him? Brad Sami photo. Obia oye NDC aparatiki. So in Brad Sami photo. One to say, Omo say na mama say on your president obedi. From time man Brad Sami photo for some powerful. A local government minister and NDC for because say na mama. A district assembly for chief executive they are rooting for some mayor candidate.
NDC. Mako contest NDC prime minister many Emilian kuma upper denture is doing kwa. Michelle NDC ase wo bla na me woko fodua. Me nam di nuama donko and na me so na nuama donko be obi onim mi pia ni. I started with NCP, a bro party, in Kuko Fodua Fidiasi, a frame a bro boat. Obi oni mi bi enim. I started at the time when Nekula pay George Kulape of Goku Industry. No, yes, chairman. I Lutejo Kopumina. I started with them. Let me say, Obi oni mi bi and say me NDC. My Adama Rollins here. Obi oni mi say Kunedu tree and Metiam, my name of Kofi Adams. They know me. Recent to Kofi Adam back of Fodua. Obehumi. Ain't you woman name me? Woman name me to me.
Why are they not listening to you?
And they are all massive. Minimum your becca.
It is about because we free NDC Munti. This issue send NDC factions. So much a man call for Nepia, Rollins and call for Kedes, no, any fancy caucus, no, any idea coachino. Is it true?
Well, me to me can Obi will follow the only intimino or woman near Cosso. A party be a sunny money womb, if we are any NDC in Quan. Party be a baby room. Ocean near my Coswa, intimate person I can't say me NDC. Even though me share my tardy as a security analyst and I say, will be a Mekasama state, me may NDC system. I think that is why maybe one per master. Because I'm feeling same you on my I was saying Bianca, me bear propaganda and everything. I won't do it. Some of my friends they call me and I won't be man. I'm saying can be man because school na me kɔ certificate ya de ma me ankasa mfa me propaganda ame me kan twantro because University of Buckingham nye school ketwa me wo certificate ame be gu me ho anim ase me be ka se mo anim ti me ka no se ne etie upafa behind the scene no frame me office ne me mekyerɛw some of them they called me if you on one who say me ka upafa wo mfa afu anya afi na sabe
Eti Mr. Bot they say mo let o hwe mo a say ho na lead from baby and NDC leading 9% eso te ba 3%. As I say according to money for the NPP for ni lead slightly no. I would say increasing from first now 10 points and no an mature number so ha. Na say approval as approval rating post you see now after 6 months to elections what do you see now? Who is leading who?
Say adwuma ya and the still NDC lady ba gap no le to
NDC leading. Okay.
ana wo hwɛ say na 2 years ago
There have been patrols starting in BM. Also say adwuma mo starting in BM.
wo hwɛ adwuma ya yen say since last we catch us by June e betimi abeka say enwie gap no ba wo mi eba wo hwɛ na graph na utun say ba wo mi eba na na me say ba wo mi strategy no wo ko ba bi a MPP fo nya votes no a wone major stakeholders na kasa in fact obi wo kra won yini se ba wo mi abefa telephone afra ba wo mi afa telephone frɛ no eni di nkomo wo hwɛ nkɔfo tua kɔfo hospital bills wo tua nkɔfo sika wo mo wo so wo mo di stebe kɔhwɛ ya resakra wa bruchire ba wo mi finance on a dodo na ani eni se sabe wo ye busu na ya na ba wo mi afra no ama sika se fa ko hospital wo beto abetia no Besa campaign man be in fact adwuma ba wo mi aye na wo say NDC for hwe ma me no ye me na me be kire no NDC me say wo mo nka if you say agro no e wo ya pam afiri mo saka masa ba